Here's something most agents won't say to your face. Your home didn't fail, the strategy did.
Homes that relist with a genuinely different approach, the right positioning, the right buyer, the right reach, are significantly more likely to close, and at a price that actually reflects what the property is worth.
We're Victoria and Andrea, the Stultz Wood Group and owners of Engel Völkers Suncoast.
We don't take an expired listing and put it back on those same portals it already failed on. We start from scratch. Who is this buyer? Where are they coming from? What will make them choose your home over everything else they've looked at?
Then we go get them, personally, through our relationships with Engel Völkers advisors all around the world, with people whose clients are actually planning a move to this area.
At this level, the right deal almost never comes from just an algorithm. It comes from relationships.
We'd love to show you what that looks like for your home, so feel free to give us a call. No obligation, just an honest conversation.